got ourselves a 2000 4Runner here, and what's going on here is very, very, very rare.
It's top secret.
Big ass turbo on a 2000 4Runner.
Yeah.
What motor is this?
It's a 5VZ V6. Excuse my intercooler piping all over the place right now because I'm just mopping stuff up.
Yeah.
Getting my intercooler all hidden over there, all flat blacked out. It's going to be turbo, but you're not going to know it's turbo going down the road.
Full sleeper, huh?
Yeah, it's a Pulsar 3584 on a CX Racing turbo manifold kit for this engine. All the intercooler piping is just Amazon, and the intercooler is a Turbonetics intercooler that I had from a Turbo V30 project, BMW.
How many miles on the car?
It's got 200,000.
Oh, looks like headers.
Yeah, that's the turbo manifold kit. The engine's got 200,000 miles, but you know I'm not trying to run a lot of boost. We're just trying to have some fun and make something different.
Looks like a real sleeper, huh?
Yeah, I mean it's not going to be super fast. Probably make 350 horsepower, but if I can get my hands on another 5VZ, I'll put forged rods and pistons in one of these and turn up the boost on another engine. But for now, it's more just for fun.
How many of these? How many people have done this in the U.S.?
Quite a few, because CX makes a kit for it.
Okay.
The company that I got the manifold from, they make a full kit for Tacoma, which could be, in theory, retrofitted to a 4Runner very easily. So, yeah, it's not like it's something out of the ordinary. It's just, it's the shop daily driver. I want to make it a little spicy.
The runner, huh?
Yeah.
Right on.
Boost runner.
Okay. Nobody would know.
It's the problem. That's the best part.
2000 4Runner, 200 on the clock, but
35R.
35R. All right. We're rocking.